Being a teenager comes with its fair share of financial challenges. Whether saving up for a big purchase or simply trying to develop responsible money habits, learning how to save money as a teenager is a valuable skill that will benefit you throughout your life. This video will explore 10 intelligent ways to save money as a teenager, empowering you to make wise financial decisions and set yourself up for a financially secure future. Set a budget. Creating a budget is the first step towards saving money. Track your income and expenses, and allocate specific amounts for different categories such as entertainment, clothing, and savings. By sticking to your budget, you will be more aware of your spending habits and can identify areas where you can cut back and save. Prioritize saving. Make saving money a priority. Setting a specific savings goal can help motivate you to save consistently. Allocate a certain percentage of your income for savings each month. Consider opening a separate savings account to keep your savings separate from your spending. Avoid impulse buying. Before making a purchase, take a step back and evaluate whether you are setting a specific savings goal that can help motivate you to save consistently, practicing the item. Avoid impulsive spending by practicing the 24-hour rule. Wait 24 hours before buying anything non-essential. This will help you differentiate between wants and needs and prevent unnecessary spending. Embrace DIY. Developing do-it-yourself (DIY) skills can save you significant money. Instead of purchasing items or services, consider if there's a way to make or do it yourself. Whether repairing clothes, creating homemade gifts, or learning essential home maintenance, DIY can be cost-effective and fulfilling. Save on entertainment. Instead of spending money on expensive outings or activities, explore cost-effective alternatives. Look for free or low-cost events in your community, enjoy nature by going for hikes or picnics, or organize game nights with friends. Utilize your local library for books, movies, and other resources. Limit eating out. Eating out can quickly drain your wallet. Opt for homemade meals instead of regularly dining at restaurants or ordering takeout. Learn to cook simple and nutritious meals, pack your lunches for school, and limit eating out to special occasions. Not only will you save money, but you'll also develop valuable cooking skills. Shop smart. Be a savvy consumer when shopping for clothes, electronics, or other items. Look for sales, discounts, and use coupons to get the best deals. Consider buying second-hand items or borrowing from friends or family for things you need temporarily. Additionally, comparing online can help you find the best prices before purchasing. Save on transportation. Transportation expenses can add up quickly. If possible, consider using public transportation or carpooling with friends instead of relying on expensive ride-share services or owning a car. Walking or biking short distances can also save money on transportation costs while providing exercise. Earn extra income. Consider finding ways to earn extra money outside your regular allowance or job. Babysitting, pet sitting, tutoring, or freelancing online are some options. Earning additional income can help you save more and gain valuable work experience. Learn financial literacy. Invest time in educating yourself about personal finance and money management. Read books, follow reputable financial blogs, and use online resources that provide valuable insights into budgeting, saving, investing, and building wealth. Financial literacy skills will empower you to make informed decisions about your money. Saving money as a teenager is essential to set the foundation for a financially secure future. By following these 10 intelligent ways to save money, you'll develop good financial habits and learn the value of money and responsible spending. Remember, small savings today can lead to significant financial freedom in the long run.